In this short tutorial, you will learn how to back up your phone contacts to your Google account. Back up your contacts is important. It helps you keep all your important phone numbers safe. If you lose your phone or get a new one, you can easily recover your contacts from your Google account. To get started, open up the Contacts app on your phone and then tap on these three lines at the top left. After that, tap Manage Contacts. Then tap Export Contacts. Now you'll see how many contacts you are exporting. What you want to do next is select where you want to export these contacts. Tap on the Export button. Tap OK. Once you've done that, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down until you see Google. Tap on it. Then tap Manage your Google account. And then swipe left on these options at the top and tap People and Sharing. Tap Contacts. It will take you to this page. What you want to do next is tap on these three lines at the top left corner. Tap Import. Then tap Select File. And then select the contacts.vcf file. Once you have selected the contacts.vcf file, tap on Import. Your phone will begin importing the contacts from that file. When the import is complete, all of your contacts will be safely backed up in your Google account. Now, if you ever get a new phone or need to restore your contacts, they will be right there waiting for you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.